Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Card. This is a fantastic way to connect your website visitors directly to your social media profiles, making it easier for them to follow and engage with you across different platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to card.co. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find a button that says Plus New Site. Click on this if you're starting fresh or if you already have a site you want to edit. Simply select that existing site to open it up in the editor. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank page. Navigate to the blank page option and click Select. This gives you a clean canvas to work with, making it easy to add elements exactly where you want them. Now that you're in the card editor, move your mouse to the upper right corner and click the plus button. This opens up a menu with various elements you can add to your site. From this menu, select Icons. This is where you'll be able to add all your social media links in a visually appealing way. In the left panel that appears, you'll see a default option labeled Email. Click on it to open up the drop-down menu. Here, navigate to the Type field and type Instagram. Once you do this, the Instagram icon should appear for you to select. Click on the Instagram icon to add it to your site. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and head over to Instagram. Find your profile and copy your Instagram link from the address bar. This link is what visitors will click on to reach your Instagram page. Go back to the card editor and in the URL section paste your Instagram link. This connects the icon directly to your Instagram profile. If you want to add more social media platforms, simply click Add. This allows you to include additional icons on your site. In the left panel, click on the new default email option to open the drop-down menu again. Navigate to Type and this time type TikTok. Then, select the TikTok icon when it appears. Open another new tab in your web browser and go to TikTok. Copy your TikTok profile link from the address bar, then return to the card editor and paste it into the URL section just like you did with Instagram. To make your icons look just right, click the Appearance button in the upper left. Here you can adjust the size and spacing of your icons using the slider. Play around with these settings until you're happy with how everything looks. Once you're satisfied with your icons, click Done to save your changes. Now it's time to publish your site. In the upper right panel, click the Publish this site button. In the left panel that appears, enter your title and description in the fields provided. These details help identify your site and improve its visibility. Scroll down and navigate to the name field. Next to .card.co, type your desired URL name. This will be the web address people use to find your site. After entering your URL name, click Publish. Once the site is published, click View Site to open it in a new tab. Test both the Instagram and TikTok buttons to make sure they're working correctly and directing visitors to the right profiles. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your card site, making it easy for visitors to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.